Hi everyone! Welcome back to Anikapedia with Mia and Nika. I am back with my science videos, and today we'll be learning all about the digestive system. Let's go! What is the digestive system? The digestive system is a system that helps in the conversion of complex food material into simple molecules that can be absorbed by the body. It has 5 components, which are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and finally egestion. Let's learn a bit more about these 5 components. Ingestion is the intake of food. Digestion is the conversion of complex molecules into simple form. Absorption is where simple molecules get absorbed by our blood. Assimilation is the movement of food components to the area of use. Egestion is excretion, meaning eliminating waste matter. Now let's learn about the parts of the digestive system. The first part we'll be learning about today is the buccal cavity. The buccal cavity, also known as the oral cavity, comprises of the lips, teeth, and tongue. The buccal cavity, also known as the oral cavity, comprises of the lips, teeth, and tongue. Keep that in mind. The lips guard the buccal cavity, and different sets of teeth help in biting, cutting, and crushing the food we eat. The food mixes with saliva and forms a bolus. Bolus is food in the semi-solid state. The tongue is a muscular organ and helps in the proper movement of food. The taste buds are present on the tongue. The food then enters the esophagus, the food pipe. Let's learn more about the esophagus. It is a stretchy pipe that is 10 inches long. It helps in carrying the food from the throat to the stomach. It shows a peristaltic movement, which means muscles relax and contract as food passes. You can see this peristaltic movement in the image up above. Now let's learn about the stomach. It is a J-shaped muscular bag. The main functions of the stomach are to store the food we eat, break the semi-solid bolus into a liquid mixture, and empty this mixture into the small intestine. It mixes and churns/grinds the food with the help of strong muscles, the gastric juices secreted by the walls of the stomach. Now let's learn about the small intestine. It is a tubular organ. It is 2 inches in diameter and about 22 feet long when stretched out. Wow, that is pretty long. It has 3 parts, as shown as the picture below, but we won't get too much into them today. It further breaks the food and helps in the breakdown of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The intestinal juice secreted/released here helps in the digestion of carbohydrates. The liver and the pancreas secrete bile juice and pancreatic juice, respectively, that pour into the small intestine. These juices help in the breakdown of proteins and fats. The small intestine also helps in the absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream. The food then enters the large intestine. Let's learn about the large intestine. It is 3 to 4 inches in diameter and about 5 feet long when stretched out. That's still pretty long, but it doesn't meet the small intestine's length. Now let's learn about the parts of the large intestine and their functions. So the cecum is the first part we're going to learn about today. It absorbs salt and fluids from the digested food. It adds mucus for a better passage. The appendix hangs from the cecum. It is a vestigial organ. A vestigial organ means it has no function in humans. Did you know that your appendix is about the size of your finger? Now let's move on to the next part, which is the colon. There are 3 parts of the colon: ascending, descending, and transverse. The colon helps in the packaging of waste material. Now let's learn about the rectum. The rectum is the storage of stool until it comes out through an opening called the anus. So if we look at the diagram here, this is the anus. You see the rectum right here, right above the anus. I'll be back with the Kahoot in a few seconds. Hi everyone, I'm back with the Kahoot, so let's start. Ooh, this is going to be fun. Digestive system. 3, 2, 1. Question is, which of these is a function of the stomach? Triangle, break down proteins and fats. Blue, break semi-solid bolus into liquid mixture. Yellow, absorb salt and fluids. And green, carrying food to the throat. If you said break semi-solid bolus into liquid mixture, you are correct. Let's go. The buccal cavity comprises of the red lips, blue calcium, yellow teeth, and green tongue. The buccal cavity comprises of... If you said the lips, teeth, and tongues, you are correct. Let's go. Which juices help in the breakdown of proteins and fats? Bile juice, rectum juice, colon juice, or pancreatic juice? Which juices help in the breakdown of proteins and fats? If you said bile juice and pancreatic juice, you are correct. The esophagus shows a peristaltic movement. Is that true or false? If you said true, you are correct. I really hope you enjoyed watching my video about the digestive system. If you haven't already, please make sure to check out my other science videos and my videos where I explore the world. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next time.